if you've seen my previous videos on poinsettias, last December I saved my poinsettias and kept them inside, and now it's already August, and I still have those red bracts, and they are growing well. I had pruned them in, I think, April or something like that, and they have been sitting inside during the summers. And some of them I have outside also. I'll show you in a minute. So some of these I kept outside, and they are also growing well. So basically they are a moderate temperature plant. So, if it is not too hot, not too cold, you can leave them outside. So I left them in a filtered sun area, and they are doing well. Now that the weather has started to become cold, I have moved these plants inside so that they stay protected, because they are a moderate temperature plants. So now at night time it is about 5-6 degrees centigrade, or about 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is probably too cold. So I brought them inside. As the winters approach, I'll keep you posted. It's already January, and now you see that the red bracts have started to appear. It's end of January now, and the bracts have been becoming larger and larger, and the plant looks so beautiful. So I think it was the right decision to save the plant. There is no point in throwing them away just after the season is over. So it's February now, and the bracts are at their full size. So I'm really happy that I saved the plant. But one thing you have to remember is that these bracts didn't appear during Christmas. It's February already. So if you wanted to have those bracts appear during Christmas, then probably saving the plant and hoping that it will be ready for Christmas. It depends on where you live, how much sunlight and how much darkness they get. I didn't do anything special. I didn't cover them with a box so that they get 12 hours of night and 12 hours of day. I didn't do that because that's a difficult process to do for 4 weeks. So I just let it be like a normal house plant, and in February I got these back. So if you want these plants to have red bracts during Christmas, it's better that you buy them from the store. But otherwise, you can keep the plant alive the whole year. They can be your normal house plant, and whenever the bracts appear, you just enjoy them, and that's what I am doing. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.